Good morning. We are starting off our day on a quieter note, but we are also looking ahead to a storm system that's going to be impacting us later tonight on Wednesday. And you see that crawl at the bottom of your screen there, alerting you to the latest headlines. We have some clouds overhead right now. It's pretty quiet. In fact, most of your Tuesday should be okay. Maybe a little bit breezy, especially heading home from work, but overall looking good compared to what we'll be dealing with on Wednesday. So let's first of all talk about the winter alerts that we've got going on here. And this is for, again, late tonight through Wednesday, especially Wednesday afternoon, may carry on beyond that. A winter storm watch in this lighter blue color. It includes Grand Forks and Fargo, eastern North Dakota, and parts of our counties of Minnesota right along the state line there. And then a winter weather advisory that is also going to be in effect for the James River Valley here, for this storm system. Expecting some wind, but maybe not quite to the level that we may see in the heart of the valley. So here's a look at your radar and satellite map. Things are looking great for us right now. Perhaps a few flakes done in Marshall County and South Dakota, but overall we're looking quiet. We do have some cloud cover right now in parts of the valley. Temperatures ranging anywhere from 5 in Baudette and Hallock to 21 in Fargo and in Wahpeton. So overall, the temperature is not too bad. The wind is light. We're looking at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Winds coming in out of the southwest. On average, we'll see that continue here for a little bit today. And that will factor into your wind chills. We're looking at wind chills ranging from 10 below in Hallock to not much of an impact in places like Fargo, where we're at 11. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner. We're starting this at 7 a.m. You can see that there are some clouds in the region, and things are looking pretty quiet for the morning drive and wait out at the bus stop. Heading through the day, though, we'll start to see those winds pick up more and more. So by noon, we're gusting into the 20s. Some sunshine for a lot of us during the day today, and mild temperatures, too. We'll be in the mid-20s to about 30 degrees. Enjoy it while you can, because we've got a blast of Arctic air coming in for tonight with that chance for snow and wind. So that wind, again, continuing to pick up as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. By 7 o'clock, more clouds moving in. That wind gets a little stronger. And then later tonight, the snow starts to move in. You can see it starting north and west, and then it kind of just fills in as it progresses southward. And then by the time we get into around this time tomorrow morning, this is 5 a.m. where I paused it, we've got some snow ongoing and wind that's turned northerly as this Arctic front is blasting through. We'll get that intense winds with it. And that, unfortunately, the timing coincides right with the morning drive. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow. You can see some strong winds heading southward, gusts getting into the 40s, and combine that with falling snow, fresh snow, even snow that's old snow that's already on the ground could get picked up, and that's going to cause some trouble with visibility. We're talking potential whiteout, blizzard conditions. It may not be for a long stretch of time, but still it could have some big impacts for you. Heading through the day, by noon most of the snow is done, but we're still getting that wind, so we're still getting blowing and drifting snow into the afternoon and evening hours. So this is going to have impacts on travel through the day. I haven't even touched on the cold. That Arctic air takes over. We're looking at temperatures into the teens and 20s below by the afternoon and continuing into Wednesday night, and dangerously low wind chills to go along with that. So your snowfall totals here, we're looking at anywhere from not much at all up north to maybe up to about 3 inches of snow. So not a huge amount, but enough to get tossed around. And then heading into Thursday, some really cool temperatures, highs below 0 in spots. And then we're looking at a recovery heading into the weekend, but more wind on Friday. If you've got some travel plans, be aware that wind could cause more blowing snow for you.
Thank you, Lisa.
A group of state social workers are hearing complaints against a former University of North Dakota professor who was accused of using his position to manipulate a student.
We'll bring you all the details next here on The Valley Today.